Welcome back. Continuing the news. In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, technology meets academics. In an age where technology is shaking up society, students in at least one school are being given a chance not to just pass exams, but to pass time creatively. Nakinsky Robinson tells us more.
Excitement is building at Jamaica College as students now have a new platform to explore their creativity through podcasting. The equipment was donated by Innovation EDU, an internationally owned company.
It's about hands-on learning. So we provide STEM services really to just engage students, because we really want to get everybody ready for to be able to communicate clearly, creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration. Those, whether they go into a STEM field or not, if they're able to have these skills, they're able to succeed in the 21st century. So we really just wanted to get them ready.
Student leaders say they are elated about the possibilities.
Ready to get used to the technology, be able to use it, share the ideas and views with other schools, and have a more public figure for the school itself.
The possibilities of the podcast room itself are limitless because we can use it for so many things. We have a fundraiser 5K coming up, which we can broadcast live from the podcast room itself. And that is just one of the many things that we can use the podcast room for.
Principal Wayne Robinson says the platform can serve as a catalyst for the school's growth, providing valuable exposure to their academic endeavors.
Multimedia technology, state-of-the-art technology. So we can be anywhere on this compound, sharing whatever it is. It will mean innovation for the boys, and the group is Innovation EDU. So they're bringing a new level of technology and creativity. We were already in that direction because we are a robotic school, for example. Now, what we have now is a fantastic tool, and that tool is going to aid teachers, so teachers can do podcast messages.
It is also felt that it has potential to revolutionize the educational experience for both teachers and students.
But even in the school. So for example, we have student leaders with us right now. So as the leaders of the school, they have now an avenue that they can communicate what their vision is, what they want from the boys, how they want to see Jamaica College. They have an avenue now that wasn't there before. For the teachers, they can actually have, like for example, modern language, for example. They can do some little videos that somebody can go and listen to again and again.
And the president of the Old Boys Club says,
you have the opportunity to be unique and express your great content that the wider world will see. And of course, if that is monetized, then it's a whole new world of opportunities for the boys themselves. So again, just want to thank the school, the administrators, Innovate, EU, and everyone who played a part in making this possible.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Nakinsky Robinson.